Staying safe and healthy is always important, but even more so during a pandemic. The best way to do that is to check in regularly with your doctor. Doing so catches the little things before they become big things and keeps on top of ongoing health concerns. As part of our commitment to be safe, open, and ready for the care you depend on, PeaceHealth has made it easy to schedule an appointment. You can do that online through the My PeaceHealth patient portal or by simply calling your doctor's office. If you'd like to reduce the number of trips to the clinic, we can work to bundle things like checkups and immunizations at the same appointment. When you arrive, you'll be greeted at the door and screened for symptoms. We ask that you come by yourself unless you need someone to assist you. Masks are required, so if you didn't bring a mask, we'll give you one to use. Inside, you'll notice we've taken extra steps to ensure physical distancing wherever possible. We'll also have physical barriers, like plexiglass, masks, and sometimes face shields, where distancing isn't an option. You'll also see doctors and other caregivers wearing things like masks, shields, and gloves to keep you and everyone else protected. Finally, you may not see it, but our caregivers are also working behind the scenes to keep our facilities sanitized to strict medical standards. All the things we're doing right now are designed to make sure everyone stays safe. Now, let's make sure you get the care you need to stay healthy.
We are a team who have a front row seat to the miracle of life every day. I love my job.
I think I've always been called to kind of do this work.
I have the best job in the world. It's magical to be able to be invited into that space with women when they have this life-changing event.
I always knew as a little girl that I wanted to be a nurse and I wanted to help people.
We're just blessed that we're so close to a place like this.
My water broke at 31 weeks. I start crying.
Our delivery nurse was supposed to leave at 7 or 7:30, his shift ended, and he actually decided to stay, and he saw the whole thing out.
Thank you isn't enough for everything that they've done and have taken care of our son to make sure he's growing and getting strong.
And you notice the sign when you pull up, the heroes work here. It's nothing short of that.
I went the natural birth route and we were really excited to deliver at Riverbend. It felt so much safer, knowing about all of the people that are behind the scenes, that are in the other rooms just waiting in case something happens, but still feeling at home, being in the rooms that they have there. My midwife and the nurses made the birth that I envisioned possible. It made me feel empowered and safe.
I'm really thrilled with how committed PeaceHealth has been with creating this low intervention pathway and giving women the birth choice of birthing her way.
Helping them have the experience that they dreamed about. Of course, things take different turns and people have to be flexible, but how can we be flexible to meet their needs?
To see how everyone just came together as a team was just wonderful.
The team is amazing. There are many departments here in different specialties, but we are all part of a team.
We're all working towards the same goal, making sure that every birth is safe for every mother and every baby.
It's such a pivotal moment and it's such a special moment.
It's a moment that we will never forget and life-changing to experience it.
The moment that I'll never forget is seeing my baby for the very first time and just holding him right there, and everything else just kind of faded away.
It is your moment. This is your child and they're here to help you. I'll just never forget.
It's a wonderful, special place, an extraordinary place to have a baby.
This is a time like no other. In the blink of an eye, nearly everything has changed. Yet we remain a bridge between timeless values and the ever-changing communities we serve. Our legacy began more than 125 years ago with a simple mission: help those who need it most. In this unprecedented era, our call and commitment to care has never been stronger. We have discovered new ways to love and honor one another through innovation, technology, and a tireless passion for caring. We have transformed our outreach programs into powerful tools to help stop the spread of COVID-19. We have built testing sites to provide resources to support the health and safety of marginalized populations. Through it all, we have protected our caregivers, whose sacrifice, strength, and spirit has kept the flame of Peace Health's mission burning brighter than ever in these dark times. We will continue to demonstrate our unwavering dedication to the health and well-being of all we serve. Facing the greatest public health challenge of our generation has taught us that our continued success relies upon collaboration with our community partners, those who share our vision for a healthy future. We will save lives. We will restore hope. We will ensure our communities emerge from the pandemic stronger, healthier, and even better prepared to meet the challenges of tomorrow. These difficult times won't last, but the impact we make now will last forever.
I knew that the teleconference video appointments have been available. I've just never used it prior. It was basically like being in the office, but not having to leave the house. You can do it anywhere.
Nothing beats staying home in your blue jeans and going to the doctor's office. It is so much easier.
I'm not very techno savvy. I don't even have a smartphone. But what I have found in my experience is that they are so wonderful about walking through the steps with me.
Maybe it's just human nature to sort of think and hope that if you ignore something, it'll get better.
I don't think anyone should be worried about seeking medical advice during this pandemic.
This is the way to find out if you're really in trouble or if it's something that will pass. Do it sooner rather than later.